Hey Diva Dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with another try on haul video. This video I partnered with African Mall and I'm excited y'all because last week I hosted a giveaway and I am going to announce the winner. I have some really cute items that I picked out and guess what? I have a brand new giveaway I know you dolls will love because you get to pick what you get. So if you want to see all of the goodies in this video, stay tuned. Okay dolls, so basically this is a two-piece set. The bottom did not work out for me because you know my hips, so right now I have on the jacket and I really like this jacket. It's super trendy, very stylish, very comfortable. It's highly reflective, which is really cute. I love that it has a hood that actually fits. I like this top a lot. As you can see, I'm giving you a little dance. Now the skirt, if it could fit, it would have been really cute, but I just could not get it past my hips. I'll put my measurements down below in the box, but there are pockets on the skirt. It does have a zipper on the side so you can get into it. The band is stretchy around your waist. It's just that there's not a lot of give because of the materials. So if you can get it on, this outfit, I definitely recommend. It's super cute, but I'm still going to rock the top because I like it. Okay, now I'm really into the whole comfortable leisure wear type of situation. So as you can see here, I have a two-piece on. This actually came together in a set. I didn't know it came together in a set, so that was kind of nice. But I absolutely love the material. It is shiny, so it does have a lot of spandex, as you can see, but it just holds you in and it feels so comfortable. And I love that it's zip up, so that's cute. It's really not that see-through, which I appreciate. I love the little hand detail with the cutout for your thumbs. I think this is really chic. You can wear it with any sneakers, a jean jacket, even a duster. Like, it's really casual, it's really cute, and I really like it. Now the only downside I would have to say is that the particular material is, you know, shiny. As you can see it pick up on camera, but it's really stretchy and pretty forgiving. So again, I would recommend it. Okay dolls, now this particular top is like a jacket. I love it so much. It has that whole teddy bear kind of feel to it, which is really in right now. So yes, you need to pick this up. Like, if you don't want to pay 37 bucks for it, then girlfriend, you need to hang out a little bit longer because I do have a giveaway where you can actually pick out any items that you want. Okay, so I'll put all the details to the giveaway down below in the box, but this jacket is super cute. It's cropped, but it's also oversized. It's fuzzy, it's warm, it has actual pockets that are functional, actual buttons that are functional. I think this jacket is full of swag. You can wear it with a tank top underneath and some jeans, or you can wear it as an actual coat. Either way, it's really adorable and it's really, really cute. So you got to pick this up. Okay, girl, you better work. I love girly items and this is super girly. So it's basically a cardigan. I think it's just so chic. I was so surprised when it came in. The quality is really nice. This is definitely a gem. So far so good. I think it's really different. I've seen like furry shirts before, but this is more of like a tassel kind of fur. But anyways, it's a pretty pink, like champagne rose gold color. It does fasten in the front, so you can wear it closed, you can wear it open. As you can see, it has like a kind of knit on the back. That's the only thing. If this were a little bit more expensive, it probably would have been lined like with satin or something on the inside. It's a little itchy, but it's nothing that you can't bear. So again, really chic, really cute, and I would recommend it. Okay, now this is just like that last zip up bodysuit that I had. Remember in white? I got this in the other haul that I just love so much. So of course I had to pick it up in another color. It's really stretchy. It feels really good on. It kind of holds you in. I love the fact that you can actually zip it down to make it sexy, or you can keep it up. It just depends on whatever vibe you got going on that day. But I'm just trying to show you here that it is stretchy. It goes all the way down on your arm, so that's pretty important to me as far as comfort. It does actually snap in between your legs. So again, I'll put my measurements down below. This particular bodysuit does fasten on me, and it doesn't cause too much as far as cutting in on my sides. So really stretchy and forgiving, very comfortable. And I believe it also comes in like a mustard color. So check that out. And here we go. Now this particular outfit I was excited to get, but unfortunately it just didn't meet what I was looking for. And it's really cute, don't get me wrong, perfect for Instagram pictures, perfect for outfits. It's just that I like sweatshirts. This isn't a sweatshirt, it's like a polyester kind of material, but you know, again, it's really cute and it's actually quite comfortable. But for me and my skin, I just can't get down with this type of fabric. So that's why I'm saying I'm not a big fan of it. But as far as the way it looks, I think that it's really casual. It's super cute, very on trend with the whole champion type of suit. Definitely, you know, you get what you pay for, so you can't be upset. But again, I feel really cute and comfortable in it. I just, you know, the fabric is something I couldn't get down with. But there's pockets in the front, pockets in the back, and there's also a tie on the pants. Now, I am a sucker for two-piece sets, y'all. That's why I always pick them up, as you can see in my hauls. But this particular outfit, it was a little too short on the top, and then the bottoms were kind of like higher on me. I'm 5'6", so hopefully that helps you all when you're shopping. This particular material, by the way, looks like it was going to be a knit type of fabric, but it's more again like the polyester. So it may look ribbed, but it's actually just, it's not that same material that you would think it is. I'm trying to show you, it is a little see-through, so that's a little concerning for me, especially if I'm wearing it, you know, out. I would probably have to wear something underneath, but I think it's still a decent value. Not my favorite, so I can't say it's a gem, but if you're looking for something like this for a good price, then I would say try it out. Ooh, winner chicken dinner. Shout out to Erica. She is the winner of the last giveaway.
Okay, dolls, so for the rules of the giveaway, it's very simple. It's 4 rules. That is it. Very easy. Rule 1 means you have to subscribe to African Moss channel. Rule 2 is to add their Facebook group. Rule 3 is to like this video. And rule 4 is to add me and follow me on Instagram and comment your Instagram name down below when you're done with everything. So that is it, dolls. 4 easy rules. I will choose a winner next week and you will have your very own shopping spree.
Okay, now back to the haul. So this particular top, again, comes with a bottom, so it is a set, and I just think it's really cute. I love the fact that these rhinestones pick up all kinds of light, honey. You're going to be dazzling and shining on these people when you wear this. Like, can I just tell you how I feel super fabulous and fierce? Like, I really like this set. I can't say I love it, unfortunately, only because I don't feel it fit me the best. Maybe I'll have to try a different bra or a different undergarments, but just as far as the detail, I can't believe this was on that website. It looks really expensive, y'all. So as you can see, I had a zipper in the back. The back was also mesh. And then on the front, you do have a built-in brief. So I thought that was really cool because some of these outfits nowadays, they come without any undergarments. So you don't have to worry about that as far as the bottom's concerned. And as far as the legs, I wish it fit me more skinny. I'm sure I can probably sew it or something, but just wanted to point that out. Now here's another two-piece set. I always go towards two-piece sets because I feel like you're getting a good value. You can always wear them together, obviously, or wear them separate. Now this particular two-piece set is mesh. It kind of gives me that whole futuristic vibe with the piping. It's really cute, and I think the color is really nice. I would actually wear this with like a red lip as far as how I would style it. The top is a little shorter, so that's why you can kind of see my bra peeking through. The back does have a zipper, but it's a really, really stretchy pants, so it actually did pull all the way up for me in the back. I just adore it. This also comes in different colors, but again, I definitely wanted to rock this navy blue. It kind of comes up above your ankle, so that's just something to consider, but I think it's still adorable, especially if worn with heels. Okay, now I had on underwear with this, but you still could see a little bit too much, so I thought it'd be different because it was black, but girlfriend, I had to blur things out a little bit. But this is just like the set that I had in nude. This one is really, really cute. I guess what I would recommend is definitely wear a full bottom. So I just had on a little thong, but girl, I'm not trying to show all my goodies, not on camera, okay? So as you can see, really detailed, really beaded, really, really pretty. Again, picks up a whole lot of light, and I think this would be perfect for a birthday, for an anniversary, for a photo shoot. I mean, girl, just whatever you want. I can even see me wearing this just as a top and wearing jeans on top of it. So again, I'm all about making my pieces work, and for the price, you definitely can't beat it.
Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, I absolutely recommend African Mall. I do say all the time, you get what you pay for. So I'm not surprised at the quality of some of these items. Some of these items you may want to skip, but all the gems that I found, obviously you want to go ahead and pick up, as well as give your luck a chance with the giveaway. So again, all you have to do is follow the rules down below in the box, and that's it. So this time next week, I will be going live again, either on Instagram or on YouTube Live. So you dolls, be sure to have your bell notifications on. That way you know when your girl goes live and you don't miss a thing. If you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do that. That way you can catch all of the behind the scenes. And that's at Chrissy the Doll. Now, if you don't subscribe to this channel, please do that. I am on my way to 100K. I'm at like 91,000 of you dolls, and I am so excited. I got some special things planned for 100K. So please share this video with a friend. Be sure to subscribe to my fitness and my vlog channel as well. And again, I could not do this without you dolls and without your support. So if there's a certain video you want to see or a certain store you want me to haul, please leave the comments down below, as well as your favorite look of today. And that's really it, dolls. I'm going to thank you so much for your time and for hanging out with your girl. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.